guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Chris, and today we're going to be diving into the Cosmetips times MMMMitchell beauty box. I'm such a huge fan of his. He's an incredible makeup artist. I've done some looks that were inspired by him. On top of that, he's just like a really sweet person. So I had to grab this box. If you've never heard of this company, they've done this before. So you kind of just sign up for alerts and they'll email you and let you know when a box is about to launch. So I found this out like maybe the day before and I was able to get it. Thank goodness. It is a pricey box, you guys, but supposedly the value is just, it's worth it. So this is the box up close. Really fun design. Absolutely love it. The box itself costs €110, but then it costs an additional $15.50 in euros. In American money, it was like $140 something. I'm actually going to judge this based on the American dollars to see if it was worth $141. So hopefully this was worth the buy. By the way, this is a really nice box. The material is really nice. I'm definitely gonna keep it. Ooh. Very nice. I want you guys to see how it looks inside. Got this kind of shiny paper. A little booklet. Okay. Oh, nice. It has Mitchell's little sticker and everything. Oh, this is official. Okay. Look at it up close. I almost don't want to mess it up. Ooh, chow. We have some nice stuff in here. Okay. Before I show you guys what's inside, let's open up this booklet. That's him right there if you guys have never seen him before. So the first one up, they say, is the Jawbreaker by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. By the way, this is what the whole box looks like inside. Up on top is the Jawbreaker palette. It is wrapped up in this bubble wrap. And honestly, I don't want to take this out. But I will show you what it looks like. This one is mine. This one I had in my background. This is the inside of it, just in case you haven't seen the Jawbreaker palette. Very gorgeous palette. I actually never even touched it. So beautiful. I do not want to mess this palette up. It's just so gorgeous. This is going to go in a giveaway. So if you're new to my channel and you want a chance to probably snag this, just subscribe down below, put your notification bell on, and you'll be able to see any new videos to come out with, especially for giveaways. And this, by the way, retails for $58. Next, we have a Iglet AMC eyeliner gel. I don't think I'm pronouncing that right, but whatever. It's rather small. Very cute. This retails for $17. So it is vegan. It's just a typical gel, okay guys, nothing too crazy. 5.5 grams worth of product, and the shelf life for this is actually 9 months after opening, which is fine because I use liner all the time. This is what it looks like inside. Like I said, it is a gel. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a brush and show you guys just how beautiful this is. I'm gonna put it here actually. Look at that. Woo! One of the best. Let me do that again because I'm not even sure if I showed you the right way. Right here. Oh, it's like butter. It goes on so smooth. It's a really good liner, so I'm glad he included it in this. I actually never had a chance on getting this liner, but I know people who have it, so I'm really glad I got it. Next, we have the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This primer is everything. I love this primer. I know there's a dupe out with the e.l.f. one, but honestly, I bought this primer. This one's mine. Let me show you actually inside so you don't think I'm messing with you guys. This one is mine. Not a lot left in it. I use it all the time for my primer. It definitely works for me. It just seals up those pores, controls the oil. I really am obsessed with this primer. So the fact that it came with one, I was really happy because as you can see, running out. So other than the Jawbreaker palette, this is the only thing that I've already had from this box, but again, not mad at it because I needed another one. But this is how you get it in the package. It comes in another sealed bag and everything. I'm not going to open it right now because I don't need it at the moment. Now I don't have to worry about buying another one. This, by the way, costs $52. $52, guys. Next in this little booklet, we have the Be Perfect MMMMitchell Sub-Zero Highlighter Palettes. Yes, I'm so excited. I couldn't get this the first time it launched, but this is it. This is actually his baby. This is the highlighter palette that supposedly is so good. So I don't own this, and I'm excited. This is the inside. Look how pretty. I'm just going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys because it's a really pretty palette. I've seen swatches, but oof, look at those. So pretty. And it feels like butter, which is a really big plus. Look at that. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Ooh. 1, 2, and 3. Oh my gosh. So pretty. This, by the way, costs 30 euros, but when you translate that to dollars, it's about $33. Next up, we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Wait, I don't see that in my box. What the heck did I just say? Oops. I didn't see it in the box. I'm a little blind. Oh, she's heavy. Here she is. I'm actually really excited about having this because I don't have anything from this brand, and I've heard nothing but great things about this brand. Oh god. Oh, it's not open. You want to open it, Chris? Might be a good idea. Okay. Ooh, very nice. It comes with a spatula to actually scoop out whatever you're going to use for your face. And then, oh, she's heavy. This is nice quality stuff. I mean, I can't really show you guys how heavy it is by like passing it, but you gotta take my word for it. This is glass, really nice material. I'm gonna open this up right here in front of you. Ooh, this is how it comes, sealed. If you already know this, apologies, I don't, so this is brand new for me. Oh my god, it really smells like watermelon. Well, I'm excited to try this. I'm obviously not gonna put it on right now because I have a face full of makeup. I'll let you guys know what are my thoughts on this down below after I use it. And yeah, I'm having high hopes because everybody says it's amazing. Hopefully it is. Hopefully. So,
good for you. Good for you. Good for you.
This retails for $45 whopping dollars. Alright guys, next up we have brushes, both from Spectrum Cosmetics. I'm gonna let you know right now, I like Spectrum. I don't know if you guys can see it, but over there, right around there is a burn book that is a burn book palette, and then I also have a burn book bag. In the bag are brushes from Spectrum. I want them so much. I don't even use them. They stay in there. They're so pretty. But their brushes are just, in general, very good. So we have one right here, which is a single, and then we have a 6-piece set. Now, in terms of prices, I don't really know the price for this one, this 6-piece, because they don't have a 6-piece online. I looked and I'm not sure, so I'm gonna do like a guesstimate. Right now they have like 5 pieces that can run for like $33. I'm guessing like another brush could be like 40 bucks, maybe more. So I'm gonna say that the value of this is like $40, and the value of this one is $12. So I'm gonna open this up, get you guys, you know, a little closer. It's just so soft. Ooh, like look at that. They apply makeup so good. It's not a joke. Really happy that I got another set because now I'm going to actually use it. I did have a brush a while ago and I lost it. I actually don't know where it is. I probably lost it during the move. But now I'm glad I have more. So I'm going to take them out so you guys can see them up close just like the other one. They're all so soft. I love their brushes. Really great. If you ever want to give them a try, I would definitely recommend giving them a try. Alright guys, we're up to the last piece, which is great. I'm hungry. My family's downstairs. Quiet as a mouse. This is crazy. Anyways, this is the last piece. It is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip. I think this is a mask. I'm not sure what is this. Oh, a moisturizer. It's a moisturizer. Okay. This retails for $54. Ooh, this is the box, by the way. So nice. It says, hello sexy. How did they know I was sexy? I still feel so great. This is it inside. Nice weight to it. If you never tried Glam Glow, then I would definitely recommend trying it. You can actually find their products like in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and you'll get like a really good steal for it. But they're on the pricier end. Really great stuff though, so it depends on how you feel. It depends if you want to try it. I would definitely recommend trying it. So I don't have this one, so I'm really excited to try this as well. Just like the watermelon recipe one, I will let you guys know my thoughts on this. Let me open it up in front of you. Oh, same thing. It's sealed. I don't know how to open this. Here we go. I figured it out. Here we go. Let me smell this. Ooh, okay, that's an interesting scent. Doesn't smell like chemicals, but it's interesting. It's weird. So yeah, that's everything, you guys. This box is now empty. All right, guys. So did the math. Took me like 20 years because I messed up 20 times, but everything comes out in terms of US dollar to $311. retail price, and this box cost $141, including shipping. So basically I saved $170 for all of this stuff. That's incredible. Hands down, probably one of the best boxes I've ever gotten, better than BoxyCharm. At least with this box, I know I'm not getting expired products. So I'll leave a link in my description box to Cosmetips, and you can sign up through their newsletter and find out when the next box is coming. But right now, I need to go eat. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.